Dust in my lungs from the train yard air. I'm here. Steel in my spine like a crane yard gear. Clear. Kicks hit concrete, crack lines disappear. Pressure on the chest made diamonds out of fear. Cold block morning, two socks, no slip. Palms to the curve for the planet rotate. Grip heartbeat, metronome won't make the basics. Every rib ladder runs up from the basement. I don't care, I calibrate the cadence. Knuckles to the wall, scrape pain of the statements. Gravity ahead, cool, watch me tax it. Center of mass where I stash my assets. Rest like a casket, seal tight, no leak. Step like a stamp in a West Cement speed. Straight back, weight posture like a paycheck. Bones right cold in the marrow, no latex. City in my soul's all grit, zero latex. Clock in the chest keeps time for the apex. 10-toe shares in the land I'm leasing. Oxygen deposits compound with each breathing. Sweat is the ink that I sign with. Legible scars are the keys to the safe. Credible storm on the news, our umbrella from the ribcage. Thunder in the drums, turn the hunger to a big wage. I don't pray, I press, I don't wish. A well body is the foundry where the blueprint held. 2, 3, 4, go. Down 2, 3, 4, go. Stand, spin, 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 spool. Ground for my post, we build. 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 Footprints say we're cement and still.